Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Lapis and Pound and Band, that's Daniel, my son, who's about to go and get a pair of, what do you call them?
Zoom Freak 4.
Those are birthday gifts from his Lola. So we're gonna go and see what's up, okay? Daniel and his friend are going to go to the place where he is going to hopefully get his shoe. And this is where we're going to get it at. Meralco po. Go in. Go ahead. So what are we looking at? What are we looking at? Show me. What are those? Why do you like that?
Kasi maganda.
There's no other reason? Tsinelas na lang kunin natin.
Size 45 na. Size 10. Size 9.5 na sukatin mo.
Small. Other things we got. 9.5 slim small.
Bakit ang colorways? Meron ibang size? 9.5 halos natira niya ng ano?
Masikip pa. Huwag mong suot yan. Lalaki pa pa mo.
Masikip sa tabi.
Yeah, lalaki pa pa mo.
Hindi ang iba may size din yun. Nagkikiliti ka.
Yung ano Oreo para
Ano kaya yung KG6? Wala, kung gusto natin. Ito. Size ka nila. 9.5 lang meron. Ako naman ang size nila.
KD?
KD15.
So, wala ka na. Ayaw mo na lang kay Yanis.
Wala na nga eh. Wala na size din.
Yano na lang. Yan mo na.
Yan.
What do you feel? How does it feel? Not yet.
Malaki mo. Isang size na si Ses. Naman 9.5 yan.
9.5 pa rin. Hindi pwede 9.5 kanya. If there's nothing you can get, hintay ka na lang. Magka-stock ulit sila. Kaysa kumuha ka ng ayaw mo. You said you wanted to get a shirt. Show it. Show it off. What's the back? What's the front? What other shirts you got? Brooklyn Nets. NBA 23. Oh, that's Jordan. Warriors. That will be Curry. Toon Squad. Jordan. Scottie Pippen. Who's this one? Jordan 23. Although, that is the classic. So what are we getting?
Jersey.
We're just getting the jersey. Suot mo nga, tingnan natin. Isn't that kind of long?
Palito sa Jordan.
Okay, turn around, let me see. Number 8, LeBron James.
Lagyan mo ano kuya?
Okay, balot niyan, tapos lagyan mo ng Merry Christmas. December pa niya susuotin yan. Ano OG?
Original color.
Alam, ano?
Wala na kilin ko.
How do you feel about LeBron beating Kareem Abdul-Jabbar's 40-year-old scoring record?
Okay lang. Wala naman na. Hindi naman na kayo may record eh. Impressed.
Impressed.
Thank you, Lala. Kaya sa boss.
Love you todo mong naamog din bodo yawan bataw. So we're here checking out a second stall. We're gonna see what we can see. Here y'all. It's a shoe shop. It's a shoe shop. Okay. Okay. What are you looking at?
1,268.
No? Yes? No?
Jelly Roll about Sultan.
Who's that? Jordan? He did. KD?
Meron kaya size 10 ba? Size 10. Precision B.
Testing din po.
What's that?
Lebron 20.
3K. Says he likes this shoe, but it's worth 2,000. Here? You bought it here?
Oh.
You bought it here?
Bigyan ako ni Lola ng 2K.
Now your Lola gave you another 2K. Get the other shoe, see how it feels.
Sharpness pa.
Huh?
Sharpness pa.
Let me get you the money. The money.
Raan sa ulo.
Oh my God, he got my money. Oh my God, he's getting my money. Look at that. He's grabbing more of my money. What the fuck? Shit, dude. Hindi ko kumuha. I'm broke. Now we got our kicks. Thank you, Lola.
Thank you, Lola.
Happy birthday ulit. Dalawa na yan. May pink kanina. Galing na sa Lola yun. Ano, pangalawang sapatos na to. Or anong pwede mo ibigay kay Lola? Pag sinabi mong apo, sasampalin kita. Tipos ka dyan. Apo sinasabi mo. Bye.
Thank you, Lola.
Yeah. Oh no! What the hell we got here? A boy with a new kick. Okay, what's that? Jordan.
KD15
Oh, KD15. Show it off. Yeah.
Spike na spike.
Yeah. Sing gwapo ng naghahawak. Sobrang gwapo. So we off now? We good?
Yes.
We good. Yeah, boy.